everyone. Today we're going to be making Rice Krispies. These are one of my favorite desserts. I used to eat this a lot when I was small, when I was young, especially when I used to go to school. So these are going to be the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to be needing the Rice Krispie cereal. We're going to be needing vanilla frosting. This one has sprinkles. We're going to be using the regular marshmallows and also regular marshmallows but with colors. We're also going to need butter and two separate bowls where we're going to place marshmallows. So let's begin with this recipe. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Comment down below if you like Rice Krispies. We want to know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So now we're first going to melt the butter in a pan. Put it in low heat. Now we're going to be adding the marshmallows. I added around 3 to 4 cups. This is a very easy recipe that you can make at home and you can also give to your kids. So the reason that I am doing this recipe is because it's my daughter's birthday. She's turning 3. So we're making this recipe for her birthday. So now the marshmallow is melted. Now we're going to add 3 to 4 cups of the Rice Krispie, and then we're going to mix everything very well. Let us know in the comments what other desserts or which other recipe you would like me to make, and I can make a video on that recipe. Let us know in the comments where are you from, where are you located, if you like this recipe or not. We're going to add butter to the bowl where we're going to add the Rice Krispie so it doesn't stick. So then we're going to add the Rice Krispie with the marshmallow in that bowl. Then we're going to place this in the fridge for a few hours. So this is how it should look right before we place it in the fridge. So this is the second Rice Krispie. This is the one with the colorful marshmallows. So I added the frosting in the Rice Krispie Treats. So now I'm adding the sprinkles, and then we're going to place in the fridge again for a few more hours. So both of them are ready to be placed in the fridge. So the Rice Krispie Treats are ready. This is how they look. They turned out really well and it tastes really good. These are very fun and easy to make with your kids.